Hi everyone, it's Ben Malapile here, and today we'll be discussing the 4 steps to maintaining a good credit score. So, step number 1 is for you to never spend more than 50% of your credit allowance. So, if you were given an allowance of 10,000 Rand, you should never spend more than 5,000 Rand. The reason why is because banks actually or financial institutions actually give you a credit allowance to check if you're a good debtor or a bad debtor. So, what a good debtor does is that a good debtor will spend less than 10% of their credit allowance and they'll pay back the credit that they've taken every month on time. On the other hand, what a bad debtor does is that a bad debtor will spend more than 50% of their credit allowance, and then they'll spend it in the shortest possible time, and in most cases they actually never pay back the credit that they've taken, which results in them getting blacklisted and not getting any credit in future. So step number 2 is for you to never ever skip a payment. So no matter what happens, whether you forget, whatever the case may be, or even if you're in a hospital, you should actually never skip your repayment dates. So if you agree that you're gonna pay on the 25th and they're gonna you're going to have a debit order on the 25th of each and every single month. Each and every single month on the 25th, there should be money to pay to repay back your credits. Because a bad debtor skips a month or two and pays double or triple later on, whereas a good debtor will always pay their repayments on time every month. So, step number 3 is for you to never ever pay back or actually pay off your loans. This is actually very detrimental to your credit. It actually does more harm than good. When the financial institution actually granted you credit, they wanted you to stretch it out for as long as possible, and for you to, if you took out a loan and you were required to pay back the loan in 60 months, a good debtor will pay that loan in 60 months and actually pay each and every single month on time, whereas a bad debtor will skip a month or two, pay double here, pay triple here, and then skip 6 months and later on pay it all off. So because the bank is in the business of borrowing money, they're not looking for people who are going to borrow money very quickly and pay it back very quickly. They're looking for people who take out loans and pay them consistently over time. Okay, so step number 4 is for you to never apply for more than 2 credit applications in 1 month. The reason why is that when you apply for credit, it actually takes a dent to your credit score. So each and every single time you apply for credit, or someone actually goes and checks your credit score actually decreases. So if you apply for more than one credit application in 1 month, what this actually says to the banks and financial institutions is that you actually trying to live off of credit, and that also indicates risk. So if you learned anything new today, please show this to a friend, and remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn the post notifications bell on. Last but not least, you should remember, you should secure the bag all day, every day, and twice on Sunday.